everyone, this is Gautam. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This is Telegram link and this link I will paste in description box. Please join it. Let's discuss our first job is domain is financial analyst. This is Hyderabad, Telangana location and salary is 2.5 LPA to 5 LPA per year. And this is full-time opportunity for fresher. And this is your responsibility and all. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst internship. Okay. This is also full-time internship opportunity and a remote location and basically this is Tamil Nadu and remote location. Okay, and this is your responsibility and all and there is not salary mentioned and how to apply this you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Next job is data analyst for Nagpur Maharashtra location and salary is 50k to 20k per month and this is also full-time opportunity and how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Uh, our next job is risk analyst. This is Chennai Tamil Nadu location and salary is 3.2 LPA per year. This is full time for fresher and this is job description and all you can see here. And how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill that. And one thing all I will share job link in description box. Why line by line? It means indexing 1, 2, 3, 2 in. Okay, you have check the description box and apply there. Our next job is data analyst. This is Kochi, Kerala location, and this is full-time opportunity and permanent. And this is for experienced person and experience need 3 year minimum. And salary is not mentioned means salary is negotiable. And how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst also Coimbatore Tamil Nadu location. Salary is 6 LPA per year and this is full-time opportunity and regular and experience need a 2 year preferred and a skill need Tableau, Power BI, SQL, DB. And how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior data analyst. This is for Bengaluru location and also remote and salary is 2.5 L to 6 LPA per year. This is full-time opportunity and remote and this is your experience need and salary is this and how to and a skill required data scraping SQL Excel Python pandas and data cleaning and all and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Pune Maharashtra location and this is full-time opportunity and morning shift. Okay, and skill required Power BI and all you have checked this and you have after that you have applied on it. And how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst. This is for freelancer and the salary is 6 LPA to 18 LPA per year and this is a contract 12 base temporary base and freelancer. Means if you have good knowledge then you have apply on it and skill required Java, JSP and all and how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is SEO content marketing analyst. This is Chennai Tamil Nadu location and remote also and salary is 4 lakh to 8 lakh per year and this is full-time opportunity morning shift and this is job description you have see here. And how to apply this job you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst from Coimbatore Tamil Nadu location again and salary is 15k per month. This is full-time opportunity and permanent and experience need 1 to 2 years. And how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is policy analyst, Delhi location and salary is 60K per month. And this is full-time opportunity and prefer work experience 2 year. And this is your profile and 2 year of experience proficient in English and both verbal and written communication. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is associate analyst BI. This is for Hyderabad, Telangana location. Telangana location. And this is your job description and this is your key responsibility and this is your skill required. Skill required like Power BI, SQL, designing, reporting, dashboarding and visualization, business KPI also. Okay. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location and salary is 20K to 50K per month. And this is full-time opportunity and day shift. And this is your job description and minimum 2 year of experience need. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is job for business analyst. This is Gurugram, Haryana location and salary is 8 LPA to 12 LPA per year. Sorry, and this is also full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Nagpur, Maharashtra location and salary is 20K to 30K per month. And this is also full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior data analyst and IT applicants for Pune, Maharashtra location and salary is 17 LPA to 20 LPA per year. And this is full-time opportunity and regular. And this is your job description, you can see here all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Delhi location and this is your job summary and all, and this is about company and this is your roles and responsibility, you can see here. Sorry guys. And experience required 2.5 2 to 2.5 year and the skill required SQL and MySQL. Okay, and ETL. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for New Delhi location and this is your job description, full job description. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Okay. Our next job is junior data analyst. This is for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location and salary is 12K to 15K per month and this is also full-time opportunity. And experience needs 0 to 1 year. If you are fresher, you have also apply on this. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is a specialist reporting analyst. This is also for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location and this is all about job and all. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. And our next job is business analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location also and salary is 30K per month and this is full time and regular and permanent job. And Power BI experience 3 year preferred and bachelor degree and SQL 2 year preferred. And this is your job description and all. And how to apply and there is your responsibility and all and BI tools. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. Thank you.